In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new calendar in Microsoft Project. Calendars control when work can happen in your schedule, so setting one up correctly ensures task durations and resource assignments line up with your real-world working hours. We'll walk through opening the right settings, creating the calendar, and defining the working days and hours. First, open Microsoft Project and head to the Project tab on the ribbon at the top. Click Change Working Time. This opens the main calendar dialog where you can view existing calendars and set work and non-working time. Think of this as the place where you define the rules for when your project team can work. Next, let's create the calendar itself. In the dialog, click Create New Calendar. You'll be asked whether you want to create a new base calendar or copy the standard calendar. A new base calendar is great when you want to start fresh with your own hours and days. Copying from standard is handy if most of your schedule matches the default and you just need small tweaks. Give the calendar a clear, descriptive name, such as Night Shift Calendar or Client Project Calendar. Use names that make the intent obvious to anyone opening the file later. Then click OK to confirm. Now it's time to define the working time. Make sure your new calendar is selected in the For Calendar dropdown at the top of the dialog. Go to the Work Weeks tab. You'll see a row called Default, which covers the typical pattern for the week. Select Default and click Details. In the Details window, choose the days that should be working days, such as Monday through Friday. Set them to working time and enter your standard hours. For a classic schedule, you can set a single block from 9 o'clock a.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. If you prefer to represent a lunch break, you could split it into two blocks, like 9 o'clock a.m. to 12 o'clock p.m. and 1 o'clock p.m. to 5 o'clock p.m. If you're creating an alternative schedule, adjust the times to match your shift. For days that should be off, like Saturday and Sunday, set them to non-working time so tasks won't be scheduled there. When you're done, click OK to close the Details window and confirm your changes are reflected for your new calendar. Click OK again to close the Change Working Time dialog. Your calendar is now created and ready to be used across your project. If you plan to assign it to the project's specific resources or tasks, you can do that separately. For now, save your file so these calendar settings are preserved.